it's Isabel, a Kingdom model, and I'm here to show you how to build your portfolio. Let's go. Whether you're a model that's been doing this for a long time, or you took a break and you want to get started, or you're just starting out, you're brand spanking new, no idea how to do this, let's dig into it together. I have tips that will be helpful for all of these examples. If you're new to this channel, my name is Isabel. I am a Kingdom model, and I'm your encourager to show you that you can do all the things that God has placed in your heart to do. And my channel is all about hearing God, personal development, and using your talents to live the life of your dreams. I have a new video up every Thursday and Friday to help you with all those things. So please hit the subscribe button and let's get right into it. So what is a modeling portfolio? Modeling portfolio is traditionally a book of all the photos of examples of work that you have done. Kind of like a visual resume for a model. The work in your portfolio could be either with real clients, real examples of bookings that you did. If you did a shoot with Macy's, and that could be in there, or it could be a test shoot to show examples of work that you could do if a client booked you. Okay, so what is the point of having a digital portfolio? Like I said, it's being a visual representation of your resume and showing the client why they should work with you, why you're the best fit for the job, by you showcasing your best work, your best facial expressions, your best poses. And the main thing that a portfolio shows is it shows your versatility. It shows your ability to be a walking advertisement for the client or company. So some people like to say models are a clothing rack. That might not, that's not the most appealing way to describe a model, but essentially you are your representation of that brand, and the brand's point is to make sales, and how they do that is connecting with different audiences. So in your portfolio, you're going to be showing them that you can do bridal work, commercial work, editorial work, that you're capable of looking like a mom or a girl next door or a toddler, whatever the job is and what you're looking for, that is what you should build your portfolio with. I don't know why I said toddler, because I have one. The brands are looking if you can appeal to their specific audiences, and so you can show that you have a versatility and you can fit the bill for all these different variety of jobs. You can be editorial, you can be Vogue, you can also be like, hey, I can shoot a commercial for Apple Watch, like I can do that. I'm that versatile. Here's an example. That's what your portfolio is showing. And that's why it's so important to shoot versatility, and before you go in, know what you want to build your portfolio like, know what kind of clients you're looking for, what kind of model you want to be, what kind of jobs you want to book, and fill your portfolio with examples of those things, or look for jobs and book jobs that fit those descriptions. So for example, I want to be a commercial model. I like editorial, I want to do that for fun, but I really want to do commercial work. I want to work with brands like Lululemon and Kate Spade. So just an example of something that you can keep in mind when you are building your portfolio. Build your portfolio with the look that you want to represent you and your abilities, and build a portfolio that will appeal to the clients you are trying to attract. If you have pictures of work that you already did, put those in the portfolio. But if you're just starting, then I would suggest booking a test shoot and either booking that, paying for that, or asking photographers to do a collaboration with you if it's mutually beneficial. You can email a photographer or DM them on Instagram and ask, hey, I would love to work with you. I think your style of work really suits mine, and I would love to shoot X, Y, and Z. Let me know if you're interested in that. I know that can be nerve-wracking to do, but you never know if you don't try. And if you would like an example of a template of what kind of email or message to send them, then I have a template just for you, and it's absolutely free. I will email it right to you. You can click the link in the description box or in the banner above, and I will send you that template. So I want to help you get started on your journey. So there's no excuses. There's no excuses. Everything you need is right here. Just get started. Click that link and start working, start collaborating. So after you ask for a TFP, time for print collaborative shoot, then you can start building the look that you want for your portfolio. I would suggest getting on Pinterest, looking at examples, and you want your portfolio to again be very diverse, versatile, showing different colors, different styles, different poses. If I was building my portfolio all over again, I would want a series of beauty shots, editorial shots, and commercial shots. If you have an agent, it would be a really good idea to book, it would be a really good idea to ask them, what do I need to put in my portfolio? And another thing I would do, I would not skip. In your photo shoot, you need a stylist. You need a hair makeup artist. I think, unless you have, like, you can do you're a makeup artist and you can do that yourself. Styling is not just like, I know what looks good and you're a fashionista at home. You want to be styled in a way that would appeal to your clients. Neiman Marcus, Macy's, Nike, like, you want to appeal to those clients, and that's a whole nother field. That's not my field of expertise. So I would get a stylist. Absolutely, I would get a stylist. Last bit of advice, practice ahead of time. Preparation makes perfect. Have fun. Remember, you get to. This is a get to. You don't have to. Not everybody in the world is able to even practice modeling, put the dreams to actuality. And so remember, when you're on set and you're feeling a little jittery and nervous and butterflies and you're not sure, you don't feel qualified, whatever it is, relish in the fact that I'm here. I get to do this. I'm on my way. And already believe in yourself that I am a model. I am a model. I am doing this. I am taking the steps needed for my modeling career. I am a model. Don't just wait till you get your 10-page spread on Vogue magazine or whatever. Believe that you're a model now. And I would prepare ahead of time. I would practice ahead of time. I would ask all the questions ahead of time so that I can get every single obstacle out of the way. So that when I'm on set, I'm ready. I'm in game mode. I practice. I have the music ready. I have my support team ready. Whatever it is, prepare as much as you can. And have fun. Have fun on set. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you still have questions, if something was not clear to you, you didn't understand a certain word I said, please also let me know in the comment section down below. I will respond, and I'm making these videos for you. So let me know what you would like me to cover a video on next. And please remember to subscribe, and here's some more videos that will be enjoyable for you. That's all I have for today. Listen to God's voice and let Him change your life. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.